Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Quad's MET3 initiative. The Quad group launched the MET3, that is Maritime Training Initiative in the Indo-Pacific region. India is set to host the first training workshop for MET3 in 2025. This initiative is aimed at strengthening maritime security and improving legal enforcement across the region. The launch of MET3 was one of the significant outcomes of the 2024 Quad Leaders Summit held in Delaware. Strategic goals of MET3. The MET3 initiative aims to enhance the capacity of Quad member nations to monitor and secure their maritime waters. The initiative builds on the Indo-Pacific Partnership for Maritime Domain Awareness established earlier. MET3 focuses on improving real-time monitoring and sharing of maritime data to combat illegal activities at sea. It encourages collaboration among Quad nations to uphold maritime law and ensure regional security. India's role in MET3. India's role as the host of the first MET3 workshop in 2025 underscores its strategic importance in the Indo-Pacific. The MET3 initiative extends maritime domain awareness to the Indian Ocean, addressing concerns over increased Chinese naval activities near Indian territory. India's Information Fusion Center in Gurugram is playing a key role in sharing maritime data with regional partners under the MET3 framework. This initiative allows India to enhance its capabilities to counter threats in the Indian Ocean region. Quad's broader maritime initiatives. The Quad has introduced several initiatives alongside MET3, including the Quad at Sea Ship Observer Mission, which aims to improve maritime safety and cooperation among member countries. The Indo-Pacific Logistics Network pilot project was launched to enhance disaster response capabilities through shared logistics and airlift resources. The Quad has also invested over $140 million in underwater cable development to strengthen telecommunications network in the Pacific. Now it's time for the practice question. When will India host the first MET3 training workshop? 2025, 2024, 2026 or 2023? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.